Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the fourth episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2023. It is cranberry season, my friends. Oh, I just love cranberries. So festive and vibrant and beautiful. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a must-have and staple at Thanksgiving. We're going to make cranberry sauce from scratch. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Great to serve with your turkey and dressing. And once you taste this, you'll never buy canned cranberry sauce again. You'll want to make this every year. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my homemade jelly cranberry sauce recipe. And for more Thanksgiving recipes, check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist and my previous video, Southern Sweet Potato Pie. I'll post a link to all three of those down below in the description box. So grab your pot, your sugar, and your fresh cranberries sugar, because we're about to cook some cranberry sauce magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large pot, I have my fire over high heat. We're going to add in 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white sugar, and the 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to give the cranberry sauce a little flavor, and 1 small orange. Going to add in the zest and the juice. I love orange and cranberries. So amazing. And all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, our liquid has came to a boil. So now we're going to add in the start of the show, the cranberries. Going to add in a 1 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries, and I rinsed them and removed the bad ones. You can also use frozen cranberries. Give it a quick stir. And now we're going to return it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the cranberries has came back to a boil, so now we're going to cut the fire down to medium-low. And we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. And make sure you stir occasionally. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through cooking my cranberries. See how nice and thick it is? And look at the cranberry just busted open. They're juicy. That looks great. Smells good. I love me some cranberry sauce. And I can smell the cinnamon. So now we're ready to pour the cranberry sauce into our bowl. Alrighty, so now we're going to let the cranberry sauce cool completely at room temperature. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Homemade whole berry cranberry sauce. Doesn't that look good? And off camera, I sprinkle on some orange zest right on top. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Has a great sweet and tart balance. The cranberry is juicy. And I can taste the cinnamon and the orange. Super flavorful. This cranberry sauce is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Yum-o. Cranberry sauce delicious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Thanksgiving.